Hello friends, welcome to my 97 YouTube channel. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Let's learn how to change font style and font size on Samsung Galaxy A20s mobile. Go to your mobile settings. After, open this display option. You can see here font size and style option. Click on it. If you want to change your font size, you can change it like this. After the changes, we can see a preview on here. If you want to change your font style, click on this font style option. After, you can select a custom font here, or you can download another font. If I select this font, I can watch a preview on here. If you want to bold your fonts, you can enable this bold font option. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.